2, 3, 4 feet off the bottom. I don't know what it is, but hopefully it keeps coming. That would be so cool. Ooh, it's coming fast. No, it must have saw me. Saw me. And it got me. And it got me. Dang it. Dang it. You guys will not believe the size of this bluegill. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm freaking out right now, you guys. Holy Hannah. This is amazing. This is...
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Well, good morning. I'm actually on my way this morning to go meet Ross at more of a remote lake that's probably about a half hour, 45 minutes from our house. That's definitely just a walk-in lake. And I think the last time that we fished that lake was probably 3 years ago, maybe 4. And at that time it was kind of on the tail end of a pretty decent run of big bluegills that were in that lake. The more people heard about it, the more they went there, the more they kept, and eventually the population kind of really dwindled. So I don't know, hopefully time has healed and this thing has gotten potential to have some fish in it again. I guess we'll find out, hopefully. Stay tuned. Well, my Navionics says stop here, so we're gonna give it a shot. See how close it is to the truth. I'll just drill a hole and I'm gonna put my live scope down. Oh, my battery's cold. I should learn a lesson here one of these times. Definitely. All right. What? Huh. There's not even cabbage here this year. Yeah, you'll see. I've seen a couple of fish swim down there, but I'm guessing they're bass. I don't know yet, but... All right. Here, you guys know what I'm using. The little Tika flash. Start with. See if it brings in anything. There's a couple of fish down there in the bottom. Ooh. And one of them already sees me. A couple of them see me. Ooh, they scattered. Does that mean they're little? I hope they're not super little. they're not biting though. It's a bad sign. It's a very bad sign. Well, the first spot had just nothing but little bluegills and perch. I got a fish on here, guys. Oh no, it's running like a... Oh man. This was right on the bottom. I tried to turn my camera on, but it's been a little fickle and cold this morning. Let's see what we get here. I can see him on the screen. Oh, there he goes again. Dang it. That's a good fight. There he is on the screen again, guys. See him? Here he comes up. He's coming up for a second. Gosh, if this is a bass, it's got pretty good runs in him. Oh yeah, look at here. Look at here. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Let me get him. Let me get him. Holy crap. Look at this. Look at this little pinhead minnow, they call it, jointed one. Clown color. I guess this is the result, huh? Wow. This is a doggone big bass. That's pretty freaking sweet. Huh? Yeah. Guess it's not a big bluegill, but I'll take one of these. Fun as heck. Fun as heck. Alright. Let's see if we can get you going. Whoa, there we go. Say goodbye. There it goes. There it goes. Boy, that was fun. Oh. It's a nice bluegill. See if we can catch another one here. A few of them down there. This one's a little bigger. Nice fish. One more down there. See if we can get that one. Try and go 3 for 3 here, huh? Doesn't see it. There, he sees it. Come on. Got a third one on. Another cleaner. All right. There's another one coming. A few more. Wow, that's an aggressive one there. That's a bigger fish. That's a big crappie or something. Yep. Yep, big crappie. Nice. Not a monster, but perfect eater. If you're gonna eat them. Which Aaron is, so. Well, there's a little lull in the action. Thought I'd kind of share with you what I'm got tied on. I originally started with a Tika Flash, and for some stroke of bad luck, that fell off, and I actually had to put on this. This is called a pinhead minnow, a jointed one. They're actually pretty freaking cool. They're got a lot of action. They got a little flash blade on it too, so it's almost double and enticing. So I use that one to start with. Try to get the fish to come in anyway, and I can tell by how their actions are on the screen that if they're receptive to wanting to bite this or not. If they just come around and look at it, then kind of slowly swim off, well then I'll just go down with a little tiny tungsten with a waxworm. Seems like it's a little more subtle approach, and that's a lot of times the only thing that it takes to get them to go. So far it's been all right. It's worked. Hopefully I can keep this string alive. We'll see. God, look at all those fish down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got the big one out of the group. Yeah. This might be another crappie. It's acting crappie-ish. Yep, big giant crappie. That's a good one. Jeez, look at that. Look at the size of that crappie, guys. That's a doggone beast. 15-incher. Wow. That's a beautiful fish. Bring this one over to get a photo from Aaron quick. What did you get? Just a 15-inch crappie. Isn't that something? That's pretty awesome there, Ross. Wow. Didn't even really realize there's crappies in here, did you? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty amazing. Heck yeah. Love that. You want a picture with it?
Still shot quick, and then we'll.
Yeah, hang on. 15-inch slab. Look at that thing. What a nice fish, Ross. Holy mackerels. Oh, look at how long the thing is long across the hole, isn't it? Goodbye. Goodbye. Nice. Let's keep at her. Yeah, right? Here comes a nice school. See him coming off to my left? I got a feeling those are bluegills. There, I got one. Oh, look at him follow me up. Oh yeah, heck yeah, come on. I'm gonna try to take this one off and go back down there and just see what else I can get quick before the school leaves. Maybe. This guy just inhaled it too, of course. God dang it. Almost got it. Why did he have to bite so good? There we go. Okay, let me get back down there. Let me see if I can rehearse another one. There's a couple more that look decent down there. Oh, look at the one coming up to me. Missed them. That's okay. They seem pretty aggressive. There we got him. There we got him. Oh yeah. Another decent sized fish. Boy, these things are just engulfing it, aren't they? Wow. That's what I hate about spoons. Okay, I gotta put that one down and get this. Just in case if I get a chance at one more here. They're still hanging out down there. Here he comes. Here he comes. Got him. Got him, guys. These are perfect size fish, aren't they? Perfectly in size. Let me see if I can get another one. I'm going to keep trying now. Okay, come on. Oh, geez, I miss a lot, don't I? You guys feel like I miss a lot? Because I feel like I do. This one's got some good spirit to it. Holy mackerels. Ooh, yeah, this one's going to be going back. Look at the size of this thing, guys. So there are some nice fish in here still. Look at this thing. Wow. Okay, you go back. Whoa, sauna. Give us a little sauna. Okay. Stay down there. Stay down there. Here comes one. Here comes one. Really good. Oh, that's me. Of course it is. What am I doing to myself here? Guys, I think I maybe ran out of bait. Oh, I'm just a mess. I'm just a mess. Oh. Come on. I think when you try to hurry up, things go way worse than if you're just like, ah, da da. I feel like it anyway. Now the school's gone. That was a pretty nice one that I let go. I got him. I just got another throwback bluegill. You did? Quit looking over here. Wow, that's a biggie. That's a real biggie. Oh yeah, I better get a picture with this one. Jeepers, just dropped down. Got tagged. I wasn't even hardly paying attention yet. Perfect size, the absolute perfect size for me to bring home. That's pretty cool. Boy, they really sucker down too, don't they? Let me see what I can do here. This usually is a pretty doggone good tool on getting fish unhooked. And it was again. Sweet. I like that. Don't like what I just did there, though. There we go. I better bait up. That was fun. That was just the best timing ever, actually. All right, let's get another waxy on here. Load up one of the hooks pretty good. That's about all it takes. And get her back down there. That thing must have just been happening to... Oh, look, there's another one down on the bottom, but I think that might be probably a small one now. Like a perch or something, maybe. Although it's coming up. It's coming up. got him. Oh boy. Okay, I guess it wasn't small. Look at it on the screen racing around. Oh, what the heck? Oh my goodness. Did you guys see how much line that sucker took out? That's crazy. It's crazy. I don't want to mess around too much. I think this is either 3 pound or maybe 4 pound line. The old pinhead, jointed pinhead minnow. Clown color. It's coming on strong. Oh, there it is on the screen again. There he is. He's coming up, guys. Oh yeah, he's... Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. This one really did a good run. Look at the size of this bass. Oh, he just got off. He just hooked me onto the ice. Oh my God. Look at that. That was a freaking monster bass. Oh, dang it. Ooh, this is bigger. It's feeling pikey. It's feeling really pikey. Oh my God. Oh my. Okay. Where we left left off. This is what I just caught. Thought it was a pike. But it's definitely not a pike. 15 1/4 inch crappie. Beautiful. We'll let this one go right away. I'm going to get another picture from Aaron and we'll let her go over in his house. Just a dandy. What a day. 2 crappies over 15 inches. Hard to beat that. Little do you know that I'm moving. 15 1/4. Whoa. What the heck? Are you in the little crappie hole there or what? Just look at these things. That thing is a beast, man. Holy Hannah. Yeah, what a blast. That's pretty cool. That's super cool. Yeah, one photo. You want one photo? Let me see where I put my... It was a pike. It was pull and drag. Is that right? Yeah. Dang it, huh? Oh, wow, that's a pretty cool picture. Well, I wish I didn't have that fish house behind it, but whatever, it's fine, right? Mm-hmm. That's cool. That's real cool. Boy, that's just a beast. Catch him next year when he's 16. Wow. There it went. What a day! Yeah, I'd say. I'm gonna move now. You gotta. Good job, man. I got a feeling I know what it is, but one can hope that it's not, but look at it on the camera. Love seeing that. Yeah, that's so cool. So cool. Where are you? Where are you? What are you? Are you coming up? Come on up here. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. See what you got, guy. Look at that nice hook set. Nice. Very nice. Look at that thing. It's pretty awesome, huh? It's super awesome. I don't know what the deal is with this light here. It's a nice bass, though. I like them. All right, bass. It's your lucky day. It's your lucky day. Oh, maybe it is. Maybe it is. And it was. That was fun. That was fun. It's up about 2, 3, 4 feet off the bottom. I don't know what it is, but Hopefully it keeps coming. That would be so cool. Oh, it's coming fast. No, it must have saw me. Saw me. And it got me. And it got me. Dang it. Dang it. You guys will not believe the size of this bluegill. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm freaking out right now, you guys. Holy Hannah. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. You guys can't believe this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the size of this thing, you guys. Holy. How do I get my line out of there? Oh, I'm freaking out. Big time. Hang on, I gotta call Ross. Ross! Come over here! I need some help! Oh my god, I have never ever... Apparently this lake does have some monsters still. Holy crappie. I shut this heater off so he can open the door. Yeah, sister needs help. I need some help getting this hook out here.
Wow. What a giant.
Oh, nice. Have you ever?
It's a nice one.
Oh my goodness. This thing is an absolute Brutus. I gotta see what this one says, huh? What do you think?
I think it's quite a day out here.
Oh my gosh. 11 and, well, it's dangerously close to 11 and a half.
What a beauty.
I can't believe it. That's an absolute brick. I need a couple pictures. Oh, and then I gotta get this big boy back. First, let's see if we can see one on here. Look at that. So, all right, big stud. Oh no, he's got some blood in his mouth, huh? Probably wasn't his gill though, was it? I hope.
No, it wasn't his gill.
Oh, good. Nice. Wow, this is a horse. Can you watch? Oh. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this is the biggest fish I've obviously caught this winter. We're gonna let it go. You want to film this with the phone also? Just to be safe. Well, here we go, guys. So close to 11 and a half inch, just monster. And this thing's going back. It's gonna go back.
That's giant.
There it goes. Well, I don't know how we're gonna top this day now. That was pretty awesome. Yeah, sweet. Fun. Oh, now there's one swimming on the bottom too. Oh golly.
My God.
Freaking me out, bro. It's freaking me out.
God, another big crappie. Jeez. Another nice crappie. Not a monster, but a dandy. Let's check this one out and see how long it is. I'm guessing about a 12 and a half. Oh, 13. It's a nice fish. All right.
Well, guys, I just crawled out of my fish house here. I think it's going to be a good time to pack her in. The fish have really quieted down. They're still coming around once in a while, but they're on a very negative emotions right now. So we'll walk over and see how Ross ended up. I feel like if he had anything like me, I think we had a pretty good day, which I know he did. He came over and showed me a couple of his fish. I know, isn't that something?
Some nice ones down there.
Well, what do you got to say for yourself?
Another episode of Ardoff Brothers Outdoors.
Holy
I
Hannah.
know we've said it before and I'll say it again. Get off the beaten path. Find some of these small lakes that people don't tend to fish too often because it's too much work.
Yeah, exactly.
Once you put the work in, you can find fish, and
right.
every once in a while get some giants. We caught some memorable fish today.
Oh my gosh, we both did, didn't we?
11.5-inch bluegill on camera, a couple crappies over 15.
Yeah.
Just put the work in, get out there, and you can do it too.
Exactly.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, what a fun day. Plus we got some for the frying pan.
Yep.
Pretty good day. Well, just let me know when you got all my stuff pulled up that hill.
Right now. Take care of it all.
Okay, I'll be waiting here when you come back and get my stuff.